Hey guys, welcome back to another quick assist video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to completely turn off vibrate. Now, oftentimes we have vibrate on silent mode, so then if there's a phone call or a message, there will be a ringtone still, ringtone and a vibration, but then if we want to completely turn it off, we're going to want to go to settings. Now from settings, you're going to go down to sound and haptics. And haptics basically means the vibration. So what we're going to do is go to haptics, and we're going to put it on don't play in silent mode. So then even when you put your phone on silent mode and then the ringtone for your phone call doesn't go through, this, by putting it on don't play in silent mode, it also will not vibrate. Now, I found it at times to be annoying that it would keep vibrating, especially if you have it on like WhatsApp and every time you have a message, it vibrates. So anyways, you want to go ahead, when you put it on silent mode, it will no longer vibrate if you set it on don't play in silent mode. Okay guys, so go ahead and try that out. I hope it helps. If it does, please consider liking or subscribing. It helps my channel a lot. Appreciate it. See you next time. Bye-bye.